mu gaskiya mu a haɗe muke saboda akwai auratayya akwai in kaman fulani da mu kanurai ma akwai wasa tsakaninmu.
Mun zo ne all the way from Borno State saboda mu zo mu taya Alhaji Bello Badeja farin ciki da abubuwa masu kyau da yake kan yi a koda yaushe.
Miɗi wiye Sori Cokari mi ƴeewi Mali warde hawrdirde ɓuttigol galbal mawngal Abuja nokkuɗo wiyete Malaya. Invitation o docteur Bello Boɗejo waɗimi invité ƴiwde Mali warde hawrtirde e ɓuttigol galbal. Vraiment min gari min jaɓɓama min cakkirama fa gasi miɗen belti e cakkitugol ngol min tawi du gaadu landinol fa gasi. Vraiment yo Allah moƴƴin so tawi ɓi pullo fu waɗi ni vraiment pula ko yaran yeeso miɗen darde Allah ɗo ɓi pullo woni fu tinno homo fu ko wawi ko waɗa yalla pula ko ana yara yeeso. Merci beaucoup.
Miɗo wiye Tambura Amnatu miɗo inditile Sadio Kondo korɗo laamu inna tubal han Boɗejo goggo jam jelgoji goji. Min mi ƴuuri Burkina mi notake noddango Bello Boɗejo mi wari Nigeria laayi jama wari fa heewi woɗi teddengal du waɗi mi kokkama nokkure min jippeke hunde fuu ko mankani min duwal ñamdu mankay yare mankay kaddi mona nonta e Bello Boɗejo fuu teddini kam fa wooɗi.
Ana cewa juma'a mai kyau tun daga laraba ake ganewa. Kaga wannan kasuwa dai shi mai girma Dr. Abdullahi Bello Boɗejo yunkurin da ya yi na buɗe kasuwan shanu da kasuwan ainihin sayar da fura da nono da kuma yogurt da kuma ainihin buɗe babban masallaci wanda ba a da irinta nan kusa tsakani da Allah mu abinda muka hanga mun ga alheri a ciki.
We need everybody, we need all hands to be on deck to be able to achieve peace, unity, stability and sustainable growth. For this, I am seriously calling on our Fulani brothers and of course the Hausa brothers and other tribes that are within the northern Nigeria and even by extension other parts of Nigeria to please live in harmony, to live in love, in brotherliness. It is important to accept, we should accept ourselves as brothers and sisters. We should love ourselves. We should try to have peace within ourselves. We should be talking to ourselves. We should understand each of our differences and appreciate our differences and work within that differences so that we can both achieve the aim for the creation of this market and of course the creation of the Ministry of Livestock by the President and Commander-in-Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Thank you very much.